Hello again, Lori here from Interior Jewels. How are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. I have a quick little tip here for any of you that saw my video of arranging this floral arrangement from Supermarket Flowers. If you haven't seen it, please go take a watch. Anyone can do this gorgeous, gorgeous arrangement here if you're having an event, a dinner party, or just love to have fresh florals in your home. This is inexpensive, quick, and easy. But I wanted to show a tip. As I was putting that together, one of my tulips broke. These are fragile stems, and it's too short for me to put in that arrangement. But again, I just finished that, so I have a sink full of the greens here that I cut off the stems of these florals to put in this arrangement. So I'm going to show you, don't throw those out. Make another little arrangement. Here I have a hosta leaf. I'm going to use the hosta leaf in the back. I'm going to put this little stem. Here's one of the greenery that I cut off from my yard. Again, a little piece. I'm going to put this in here and sort of make a little arrangement in your hands. Here's another little piece of greenery that I cut from my own yard. Here's a ivy leaf off a stem. I'm going to put that in front. Here's another ivy leaf. And you can see how a little greenery bush comes together. And I have a little bud vase here. I'm going to put some water in here. Do I have my scissors here? I did have my scissors here somewhere. I probably lost them in the sink here. Not sure. But anyway, I'm going to put these little things in this little bud vase. And how cute is this? This is absolutely darling to put on a bathroom vanity, the back of a toilet bowl, next to your kitchen sink, on a bedside table, especially if you're having a house guest, or just looking to add that little something something. So when those stems break off of a floral, even if it's just one floral, don't get rid of it. And even if you didn't have the floral, these little green cuttings in a little bud vase look absolutely darling. So keep that in mind when you're looking to add a little bit of freshness in your home. Hope you enjoy. Please click to like and subscribe to my page. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.